Hello trainers, welcome to our Windows course. Let's take a minute and go through this course to see what's available. It's broken down into three main sections. The first section is about what is a window and all of its parts and features, that kind of thing. The second section is about installation. There's a lot of steps in this process, and we go through those step by step. The third section, which is hidden to your students, is resources for you as the teacher to help get the students through this course. So if we take a closer look into parts and types, the first lesson is about, like I mentioned, what is a window? All of their features, what makes them work, the different types of windows that are available, and also materials that windows are made out of. The second lesson is a field trip we took to a local showroom of a business that installs windows. This company does a lot of good work, and they had a lot of good information for us, sort of a professional's viewpoint on window installation, different window types, window technology, and the trends in the industry. There is a quiz to cover the information in this section. And if you go to the next section, that's all about installation. We break this down pretty thoroughly. The first lesson is about the tools and materials used to install windows, very specific parts and pieces that we need to get through this multi-step process. That multi-step process is covered in these other two lessons. This is all about window installation. That's setting the window, all of the weatherization that needs to happen to seal it up, and all the steps so that when you're done, you have an airtight, watertight window that works easily. There is a quiz associated with this section as well. And there's even a review video. This is geared towards a construction manager or someone who would be doing an inspection of a window installation and all of the things to look for to determine whether that was done properly or not. Here is that last section, your instructor resources. This is a short list of things that are available to you to help you get your students through this course. A couple of presentations that align with the videos that the students watch, and also a couple of answer banks that align with the quizzes that they took. If you have students that have questions about any of those entries in those quizzes, this might help solve some of that mystery for them. So take a look at this course. It is some good information about a very complex building component that we use in our buildings all the time and how to get this done right. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your training.